And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Stacy, yes, the taste is looking in good shape. We're going to have a cold front pass through actually tonight, tomorrow morning. That's going to give us a very nice forecast for at least Friday and Saturday. Sunday, not so much. Going to get very hot. Hey, we are in the mid to, in some cases, upper 80s. 88 right now in Covington, 84 Fowler, 85 up in Rochester, 82 here in Lafayette, 84 in Kokomo. We are clear right now, but a pretty strong southwest breeze at about 20-30 miles per hour gusting at times. A few high and mid-level clouds will stream through, but overall should be a very sunny afternoon. But we're watching to the west later on this afternoon where storms will start to pop up and will give way to some severe storms. Illinois, Iowa, eventually will congeal in a line and make its way into our viewing area. But again, right now, wall-to-wall sunshine, a few mid-high level clouds, should be clear for the rest of the afternoon before we start to see the impacts of those storms start to work in. Before that, though, it's going to be hot, near 90 degrees for those high temperatures across the viewing area. Would exceed 90 degrees down toward Covington, since they're already seeing temperatures in the upper 80s. But a very warm afternoon, not very muggy, but certainly hot. If you're going to be outside, drink plenty of water. The rest of today, though, we'll be watching maybe for a discrete or a little small cell or two in our northern counties later this afternoon, early evening. This may be round one. It's kind of looking at maybe 2 rounds in our northern areas. This is 9 o'clock, and then we'll see another push with another complex of storms coming in by midnight tonight. But we'll kind of watch and see. This will come down to probably hour by hour watching the radar and how each kind of storm is going to interact with that main complex. So be sure to tune in with Chief Meteorologist Chad Evans at 5 and 6 for the latest updates and a live look at that radar. Other than that, by Friday morning, we are clear. We'll have that north wind. It should shape out to be a pretty nice day. The Storm Prediction Center has us underneath a level 2 slight risk from Lafayette to the northwest toward Rensselaer, Remington. For damaging winds, the main threat. Can't rule out isolated large hail and a spin-up tornado, but not a very large risk there. But again, damaging winds will be the main threat. And as far as rainfall goes, the further northwest you are, those storms where they are going to be more intense, that's where the more heavier rainfall will be, possibly up to 1 inch in some of those heavier storms. To the southeast, not so much, but we will take what we can get because we're not going to be seeing much rain in the coming days. Saturday going to be a good day here for the taste. They're going to be seeing a very humid air, though, on Sunday. You can see clear skies, that south wind bringing in that moisture. Monday may see a pop-up shower. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday going to be that typical kind of summertime pattern as high pressure will be right overhead. We're going to be kind of in that ridge, but overall it's going to be hot. It is going to be very humid next week, and we're looking at temperatures likely exceeding the low to mid 90s and heat index values likely in the triple digits. So dangerous heat next week. 87 though for Saturday, and then for Father's Day it's going to be hot and humid. 95, mid 90s for next week, with then just an isolated pop-up storm, and the 90s continuing into next weekend.